Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Zamir. Today I got a special surprise. Yes, we got some handmade wooden cars from Cuba. So let's go with the middle car. We see it, and it's nice, and it looks like a sport car. We got the seats in there. We got the no doors. Imagine how you're gonna get out of this car. And then we got these nice lights, like these little things that make it more sporty. But no license plate, anything here. And then we got the two round lights, the grill, and then these two pointy things that look like when you're getting chased by the police, you're like, brrr, and then you turn around like, and then you shoot them, kind of like that. And then we have this car. It looks like a classy car. When you go to a wedding, you're just like driving the car like brrrr. And then we got the bottoms. It looks fresh. But for this one does not look that fresh. I think this one's like made like a little bit older. This one's a little young. And then the wood they used for the wheels, I think they're oak. Or this might be this is like a normal tree coating. And then we have the doors, just handle. And then the front there, see it? It's nice. And then we have the grill, the two lights. There's no lights. Like, how are you gonna see in the dark? And then this is Cuba. I just realized this is not actually cursive writing. It just says Cuba, but it's a weird way. This is Cuban cursive writing or something. And then you got the bumper with 1953, I think. And then an extra tire, just in case you like an accident. And then I forgot to tell you this. You can open the engine, and see, as it goes full way. If it goes full way, you just open this, store some coins in here. It's like if you want to hide something from your friend, you can just get one of these cars, close it, and then just put it somewhere, and your friend will just like think there's nothing there. Just a wooden car from Cuba. And then we got this car. This looks like the same, but I'll tell you the difference about these cars. But wait, let me first tell you about this car. First, as you can see, it's nice. It's a little bit big, too. If I dropped this, I would be like scared to death. And then there's like two doors here. From four wheels. What is actually old. So yeah. And then there's like a cut in the bottom for no reason. And then it's smooth wood again. And then a bumper. This is 1954. And there's nothing on here but these little things. It says Cuba on the top by cursive writing, and then something here. I think Cuba. And then the lights here, obviously. Seats. But I'll tell you the differences now. We see they're normal, but if we line them up like this, you see this car is longer. Wait, if I just this one is more longer than this one. Second of all, this roof is bigger than this one. This is bigger, and the C is like worn out, and H and E and M and T and E are worn out too. And this one's just it's clear white, kind of like black. And then if we turn around the car, we see it doesn't have an extra wheel. And then the color of their hoods, and this one has a line, this one doesn't. And then the second little thing is, this one has handles. And then this one does not have any handles on this side. But the Carpenter decided, oh yeah, I forgot about handles, he didn't do it here or here. Only if someone sat in the back seat, they can get out, but not the front person. They would have to go in the back. And I just realized there is no seats in this car. Just to say, there's seats in this car, but look, there's no seats. Even this one has seats. Even we see the color of these. This one's more darkish green. Even that's light. These things, that one's orange, and this one's like beige, kind of. So let's just put these on the side like this. Even one more difference. Turn it around. No numbers there. No numbers here. Numbers here. No numbers here. So let's get on with this car. Well, we see it's just like a little nice car. You can just drive like. I think it's a normal car, but if you want to know what this says, on here, it says Zahir. This is my dad's name, just the same. And then it says Zahir, but it's a kind of like blacked out a little bit. And then cursive writing with Cuba, I think, again. And then the thing where you can like store your groceries in there. And then it has a Z on the door. You can just, when you drive it like this, it doesn't really move that good, but if you go fast, can you back up? Is that, okay, let's back up. And then they're like, oh God. And then we have this. Like, this car doesn't, I've seen this car before, like this car's in India or something, or Mexico. There's 2 seats in here. It's like, I've seen it before. It's like a little like kind of like taxi vehicle. You can drive it around and people sit in the back and the person sits in the front. Imagine it was raining. Even the guy who's sitting here is like, oh God, I'm wet. Even the other guys are just there, just sitting there, playing games on the phone. Even the wheels are like, this one's like a little bit like kind of like old. Even this one's new. Even it says 4100, I think. I'm not that good at math, okay? For you, obviously. It's like a little kind of like vehicle for transportation. But how? Like, look how tight that is. Like, imagine the guy was like so tight in there. Like, oh God, I feel squeezed. You know? And then there's like this roof. It says Cuba here and a bunch of plants. And one wheel that moves good. He's like, oh God, it's raining. It's like, yay! What says something here? Coco. Do you know this says Coco, right? Because I realized there's C-O. Coco is actually a movie. I watched it. It was good. So yeah. These are all my wooden Cuba car toys. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. Bye!